Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a product I received free from Influencer and Jimmy Choo in exchange for my honest review. So I got my box sent in a few days ago, Jimmy Choo. It says this is the new one that's supposed to be already out actually. Jimmy Choo, I want you. So, and like I said, this is from Influencer, and I'm gonna go ahead and open the box in front of you guys so y'all can see my reaction. Let's see. Wow. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful size box. Look how pretty this package is. Wow. All right, so let me get it open so we can see the product inside. I can't get over how beautiful this box is. You see how sparkly this thing is? And it's a full size bottle. Is it? No, it's 3.3 ounces. 100 milliliters. This is a pretty nice size. It's very generous. I'm still not over this box. Okay, let me open it. This is very fancy. Okay, inside the lid just telling you to untwist the top, I guess. Oh, you gotta remove the little cap piece that's on the neck of the bottle, and then you push down the spray. Let's see. This is what it's looking like inside. This is well put together. I like this. Woo! Wow. 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 This is beautiful. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is just pretty just to keep on your desk with your other little pretty little things that you might have around. This is just a nice bottle to have. Even if it's empty, keep it anyway, because this is so cute. Look at that. Anyways, it says to go ahead and take this little piece off right here. Look at this, the J and the C, and it has the Jimmy Choo at the top. And I believe you just press down to spray here. All right, so according to Jimmy Choo, it says that this is a sparkling sensual fragrance infused with a velvet peach and a vanilla that gives way to a floral injection of jasmine and a red spider lily. Okay. I Want You is a perfect accessory for a moderate and glamorous woman. Okay. All right, not too bad. I like this already. It's nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and smell it for the first time. Can't smell it just yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray it, and I'm gonna see how it sprays. I'm gonna show you guys here. So I'm just gonna spray a little whiff here. Oh, that smells good. Wow. That I like that. It is, to me, what stands out is the peach. And it has like that warm vibe that it was talking about. I really smell the peach more than anything. This is more of a fruity scent perfume and not like the old lady typical perfume. Me, I like to spray in the air and just walk through it. I don't like to drown myself, but this smells very light and it's not strong. I really do like this. This is very nice to have. I probably don't wear perfume every single day, but this is very nice for an occasion, like going out with your girls or on a date. This will be very nice. So this is hot. I like this. I'm very impressed with this bottle. Like the presentation, the box. I don't even want to throw the box away. It's like you keep this box. You just use it for decoration or whatever. It's one of the boxes you don't want to throw away. Well, I'm not. So yeah, this is bomb. I like this, and I want to thank Influencer and Jimmy Choo again for letting me have this product for free. It's bomb. I like this. Very nice scent here. All right, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Any other perfumes that I should know about, let me know that too. I'm down for trying out new products and reviewing it, whatever. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you go ahead and keep up with my other videos that are gonna be coming up soon. All right.